All right, hello again and welcome back. Today we are on unit rates, which is lesson 2 of unit 6. What are unit rates? Basically, they're a ratio with two things that you got to keep the units with it. So we see unit rates all over the place. In this case, we have how many characters can you type per second. So this is 60 characters in 30 seconds. Anytime you have a unit rate, it has to be simplified. So you have to divide the two numbers. 60 divided by 30 is 2 characters per second. In this case, $11 for 4 cereal boxes. 11 divided by 4 is $2.75 per box. 400 miles and 14 gallons. Divide the two numbers and you get 28.6 miles per gallon of gasoline. So that's a common miles per gallon. Right? Anytime you buy something, it has a unit price. So price per item. Okay? So here, talking about a unit price, $18.50 per 5 pounds. You divide the two and you get $3.70 per pound. Okay, LB is abbreviation for pounds. All right, if you run 100 meters in 14 seconds, we're going to round to the nearest tenth. Right, that's the most common thing to do. Up here, it said it in the instructions. You get 7.1 meters per second. M is short for meters, S for seconds. Remember, if you don't know the abbreviations, feel free to look them up. You can write out the whole word if you like. Now, if we have two unit rates, we need to compare them, see what's the better deal. Right here, we're talking about what's the better deal for online music. Is it better to get 15 songs for $12 or 10 songs for $9? So find the unit price. This is 80 cents a song. This is 90 cents per song. So it's obviously better to go with 80 cents a song rather than 90 cents a song. But here, it looks like this is a better deal. It's only $9 versus $12. But if you spend a little bit more, you get more songs. So depending on how many songs you're willing to purchase, you get a better deal per song. All right, let's take a look at another one. So in this case, we have an 8-ounce bottle for $5.76. We're going to divide that way. Remember to put money on top. We have a 12-ounce bottle for $8.88. Divide that way into that. $5.76 divided by 8 is 72 cents. Right? And when you talk about cents, you put a dollar sign like that. I mean, you could write the 72 with the cent sign, but most people are talking about dollars like that. Per bottle, bot for short, since my handwriting is looking pretty terrible today. All right, if we do 888 divided by 12 ounces, you get 74 cents. So normally, you have a better deal when you buy more of something. In this case, they tricked you, and it is actually a better deal to go with the 8-ounce bottle. Okay, explain. Why is it better? I just proved it. 72 cents per bottle there, 74 cents per bottle there. It's a better deal to go with the 8-ounce because it's less per ounce. All right, now we can also use unit rates to predict. This is how GPSs tell you that you're going to arrive at your destination at certain times. It measures your rate of speed and the possible rates of speed you could travel on the roads it's planning on going on. Some GPSs, more advanced ones, can measure traffic and look at where the traffic is and how many stoplights and stop signs you're going to run into. And it can calculate how long it's going to take you to get some places. And some GPSs are amazing at how accurate they can measure when you can get there, but because it measures rates of speed. In this case, we're measuring how many donuts you can make in an hour. So first, we need to figure out what is the amount of donuts you can make in an hour. 195 divided by 3 gives you 65 donuts per hour, D per hour. Now, we need to figure out how many for 8 hours. So we just take our donuts per hour and multiply it by 8, right? Because it's 8 hours. 65 times 8 is 520 donuts. Remember, any word problem has to have a unit at the end. Okay, they spelled donuts a little differently than most people spell it. Most people spell D-O-N-U-T-S. But this is dough, like a different kind of dough. All right, there you have it. That is unit rates. You have any questions? Remember, see me online, see me in class, message me in Canvas, or email me. Have a great one. Talk to you soon. Do whatever it takes to dominate this lesson.